Hola, soy Fran, and welcome to AI Boost Bites, where every week we teach you the skills to supercharge your work with AI. Tired of spending your time on complex routine tasks in Google Sheets? Wish you could skip searching through menus and learning formulas just to organize and analyze your data? Well, get ready to become a data pro with the help of Gemini in Sheets. Today, we're showing how Gemini lets you manage your data using simple natural language. Instead of doing manual work, you can now just describe what you want to accomplish. Let's see it in action. Want to add a drop-down menu for data validation? Just ask Gemini to create a drop-down for product categories in column D. Need to highlight key data? Try a prompt like highlight sales above $1,000 in green. How about summarizing a large data set? Simply say, create a pivot table showing total sales by region. You can also quickly filter your view with a command like filter the sheet to only show orders placed in April. And organizing your data as easy as saying sort the sheet by revenue, highest to lowest. After Gemini works its magic, a preview card will pop up showing changes. You can click apply to accept them or tweak the edit until it's perfect. To get started, just click on the Ask Gemini Spark button in the top right corner of your sheet. Ready to get started? Now it's your turn! Earn your badge for completing the challenge. Thanks for watching and have fun!